Do you want to see incredible kids activities made by stone art? Tremendous learning activities for kids with stone art. Tic-tac-toe game. How's the weather game? Math sums and number recognition activity. Solar system activity. Parts of body puzzle. Science activities. Life cycle of a frog. Internal body parts. Life cycle of a butterfly. Story stones. Nose arc. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. The Little Red Riding Hood. Jack and the Beanstalk. Uppercase and lowercase alphabet recognition and matchup. Sight words recognition and sentence building. Different vocabulary activity. Fruits and vegetables. Beach vocabulary. Feelings. Zoo vocabulary. Sea animals vocabulary. Transport vocabulary. Stone puzzles. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more.